Okay, this is a very realistic palm model, completely created using Tree Creator for URP in a few minutes. As you can see, that tree looks very realistic. You can easily customize the translucency share, shadows. Also, you can easily customize the wind effect. So as you can see, everything is easily customizable. Also, you can easily customize the global wind effect from here. As you can see, the effect works well. Nice. Okay, customizing a tree using Tree Creator is very easy and simple task. As you can see, everything is very easy. You can customize the tree shape quickly. Without any problem. Number of the leaf. Move the position. Change the texture. Everything is so easy. Okay, as you can see, everything is very easy. Everything is possible to create using Unity's Tree Creator. You can easily customize tree models. Nice. Everything is so easy. I hope this video will be useful to you and enjoy from the Tree Creator.